Right. Okay.
Okay, Assalamualaikum to everyone. Okay, and today I will share to all of you the tutorial for our last week class. Okay, last week class. So this is the tutorial. Okay, we can ask Mr. apa Dr. Aziza. Okay.
Sorry, is it only me or your voice is quite slow?
The
Oh,
the
quite slow.
tutorial.
My voice is quite slow. Sekejap, eh. Ada dengar tak? Okay.
Yeah, yeah. The sound is not smooth. Apa macam tak berapa clear.
Oh,
Ha.
oh,
Okay.
sekejap ya. Sekejap.
Hmm. Okay. The installation have been done or not? The installation of the compiler.
Jadi, we can install the compiler first.
Uh, the guideline is class. You can access the tutorial and also the guideline in the Google Classroom. Okay, have you found it? Google Classroom ada tak jumpa? No, lab guide prolog. That one. Tengok dekat notes lab guide prolog.
Okay, testing. Dengar tak? Tak tak? Oh,
Apa
oh.
dia?
Suara. Tak jelas ke?
Dia class. Do you hear Madam Wan clearly?
No, doktor.
No, doktor.
Dia apa?
Macam bergema.
Yes, dia can you access the note class?
Yes, doktor.
Ada dekat your picture
Dengar tak? Ni. Dah dengar dah?
Better.
Better. Okay. Dekat slide nampak Microsoft Word ya?
Yes.
Okay, kejap. Sharing. Kita ambil share content Share
Betul.
content. Kejap. Okay. Okay, sekarang nampak ni.
Yeah.
Prolog. LPA Prolog untuk ni kan. Okay, starting dia SWI Win Prolog. Okay. And then okay. And then this is how to install SWI Prolog. Okay, our compiler. Okay, you can click to the link, or maybe you can copy the link, put in the URL, and then download based on your computer features. Okay, either you use Windows computer or Mac computer. Okay, maybe you can try. Okay, this is some video on YouTube. Okay, maybe you can you can watch the video maybe after this lah. Okay, how to start? Actually, I already done it last week. Okay, and then okay, but today I will recap about this. Okay, and then okay, normally Prolog we have two windows. Okay, by default, if you start the Prolog, okay, this is example of our software. Tak nampak apa saya buka ni.
Nampak.
SWI ni Prolog
Tak,
compiler.
no.
Oh, so I need to share.
Stop sharing this one.
Stop sharing.
Stop sharing and share again.
Share content.
Yeah, content in the browser kan? Google.
Kejap. Okay. Into SWI. Okay, this one. Okay. This one.
Ya. Boleh tengok.
Okay.
Nampak.
Okay, by default, it will come up the console window. Okay. The console window and then start share web browser lah better. Okay, web browser means all or what? Share. Ataupun kita share ni.
Boleh kalau dalam web boleh.
Sekejap. Boleh nampak semua sepatutnya kan? This one nampak tak? Ni. Compiler dengan background dia.
Tak
Boleh?
nampak. Tak.
Nampak compiler saja.
Sekarang ni nampak dekat browser.
Kosong. Tapi nampak kat browser je. Nampak this browser. Okay. Nanti sekejap nak start. Macam mana nak buang dia benda ni?
Sekarang nak buka apa?
Stop dulu lah.
Stop.
Kita share. Kita share semualah sebab ikutkan tak nak share semua. Tak share semua je lah. Susah pula kan.
Share screen tu.
Dah.
Kan screen.
Okay, and then nampak. Okay, compiler ada. Nampak?
Nampak.
Okay, and then notes. Okay, this is notes kejap. Okay, notes.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, and then this is Microsoft Word. Okay, so let's go to this one. Okay, this example, we basically we have the query area and the null space. Okay, the null space. Okay, this one is a console window for the query, and then if you want to you make a new file, I mean the null space, click new file new, and then you need to save any name. Maybe we can try with example 1 and then save. Okay, after that okay, the new window has come out. Okay, example1.pl. Again, you can type your facts and rule here. Okay, facts and rule here, and then after that you can compile it. Okay, go to the menu compile and then do a compile buffer. Okay, and after that you can make a query in the console window here. Okay, so the examples of that exercise ada dalam tutorial ni lah, in the lab tutorial 1 okay, and maybe I can give you a time to try it. Okay, you can type, okay, this one, okay, you can type the facts below. Ron is a wizard. Okay, how to read the prologue, Ron, and then you go out to read the relationships. Okay, inside the parenthesis is arguments or the parameter. Okay, sometimes it's called as an atom or object. This is Ron and then wizard. Okay, you type your first facts. Ron is a wizard, and then put the period symbol, okay, at the end of the statement, and then you save the files and then compile it. After that, it will come out in the console window. The green line is, this is some informations. It shows that we have run and then it's successful, and then you can type the queries in the console window. Okay, in the console window. This one, our console window. Okay, you can type here, and then it will return a result. As example, the first query is a Ron is a wizard, and then the result is a true. And then you can try another second query. Harry is a wizard, so it's will return false because in our knowledge base we only have one facts. Okay, that stated that only Ron is a wizard. So we have no Harry as a wizard. So that's why it will return false. Okay, maybe you can try this one first. May I give you about maybe 5 minutes? After that, we can continue with the tutorial. Class, do you hear me?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay, class, do you have any problem on it? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So boleh run lah. Okay, facts and rules and queries. Okay, so okay, maybe you can try this one. Maybe you can type this one, or maybe you can create a new file. Okay, and then our facts in our knowledge base, you can put this one. Harry has a wand, and then Harry is a cricket player. Okay, and then you can add another fact. Ron, before this we have, sorry, before this we have Ron is a wizard. Okay, now you add another two facts. Harry has a wand, and then Harry is a cricket player. Okay.
Issue.
Yeah.
When I try to compile, it says syntax error end of file.
Syntax error and of file. Okay. Try to check back whether your fact is correct or not. Ron is a wizard, and then put the period.
I don't put the period as well.
Okay, try again and then compile again, and then you will see the latest one. I get the statement here, but this one in the console window. Okay.
Okay. Let me try first.
Okay, never mind. Just take your time. Okay, we have to actually we have to window. The example one. Okay, you can type the facts and rules, and then the another window is a console window. Okay, in the console window you can see the green statement here. Okay. Okay, after that, okay, try to do a query. This is example of the query. We want to check our knowledge base. Either we have this statement or not. Ron is a wizard. Okay, after you compile, if you didn't see any question marks and the dash symbols, never mind, just click you punya apa, dekat keyboard you ada ada space kan, you click the space, nanti baru the question marks and the dash symbol will appear, okay, in your console. Okay. Maybe I can try. Okay, and then enter wizard. Sorry, not wizard. Statement here. Has one Harry cricket player. Harry, and then cricket player. IDDITCH. Player. Harry is a cricket player. Okay. And then compile buffer. Okay, and then let's check our. Okay, kalau tak ada, never mind. You compile lagi. Compile lagi. Then, okay. See, no question mark and the dash symbol. Okay, and then you click, you tekan lah, you push you punya space button in your keyboard, and then you can start do a query. Okay, this is example of query. We want to check either Ron has a wand. and then who has a wand? Wand ni tongkat kan? Betul tak? Harry ni dia ada tongkat dan siapa yang ada tongkat? Tu macam tu dia punya. Okay, so kita check. Has one. Kita nak check Harry kan? Whether Harry. H-A-R-R-Y, Harry. Okay, don't forget to put the period symbols or the full stop, and then try to click enter. Okay, so Harry has a one. Yes, true, because we have the facts in our knowledge base. Okay, in our knowledge base. This is our knowledge base. Okay, we have this one, example one. We have Harry has a one. Harry has a one. Okay, and then we want to check who is okay. How to make a query? Who has a one? So we can represent who as a variables. Okay, as I said last class before, a variable must start with the capital letter. So has one. Okay, relationship you cannot start with the capital letter. We must start with the lowercase ataupun small letter, and then has one. Then who? Maybe we can represent with the who. The first word is W, is a capital letter, who. Or maybe you can start with any variables like X, B, Y, Z, whatever. Okay, and then close the bracket, then put the period sign, and then, okay, the answer is Harry. It's do a pattern matching. Okay, dia buat pattern matching. Dia compare class. Has one, who. So dia cari has one. Wizard, totally not same kan, sebab wizard. Okay, depan. So dia ambil the second facts. Our second fact is has one, yes. And then the X, the who variables will take Harry. Okay, as the output. And then that's all. Okay, as example, if we try to add another facts. Contoh, as example, Ali. Okay, and then after you do some adjustments or you want to add or delete, that means you edit your knowledge base. You need to compile back. Okay, compile. Okay, and then look at your console window, and then click the space keyboard. Okay, question mark, and then you can ask back the same question. Has one. We want to check who has a one. Example, we replace with the X, and then click, put the period sign, and then click enter. Okay, if your cursor still blink at the end of the answer, it means that we have another answer. Kemungkinan you ada jawapan lagi. So don't click enter. Sebab kalau you click enter, the Prolog will macam dia akan just terminate lah. Dia akan keluar daripada you punya nulis space. Dia tak buat lagi backtracking, dia tak cari lagi. So you must put the semicolon, because semicolon means or, O-R-L, O-O-R, or, atau. So in Prolog, semicolon is a or, but in C and C++, Java, semicolon is a symbol for terminate the statement, isn't it? Bila kita nak terminate kita punya statement, habis statement, kita akan put the semicolon. But in Prolog, no. To terminate the expression or statement, we need to put the period sign. Okay. But in Prolog, semicolon is a or. So you put semicolon. So you have Ali. After the Prolog, the Prolog find, take Harry first. Harry has a one, and take another answer. Ali has a one. This is example lah. And then after that, it will go to the new line. Okay, have you tried yet, class? You can try together with me.
Dah, Doktor.
Dah. Okay. Okay, so that's only facts, but we didn't put the rules. Okay, now I will ask you to do that. Okay, we go to the next. Okay, next part. Okay, okay. Now we need to add some rules. Okay, let's add some rules. Okay, you type je. Okay, as I said last week, facts and rules we must put together in our knowledge base. Okay, you must put the facts first. First you put all the facts. After that you put the rules. Okay, and then you compile, and then you can query the knowledge base. Okay. So put this rules. X has broom if this symbol, okay, colon and dash symbol means if, okay? X has broom if X is cricket player. Okay. Maksudnya someone yang dia ada penyapu, so dia adalah cricket player. Okay. The second rule, X is a wizard if X has a broom and okay, semicolon, if semicolon is a or, comma is a n, A-N-D. Okay, so X is a wizard if X has a broom and X has one. Okay. Kalau ikut logik macam you belajar logik kan. Kalau N ni in programming, N tu maksudnya the first dekat sebelah kiri the first rules tu dia mesti true and then the second must be true baru dia akan jadi true, betul tak? So you kena buktikan bahawa X has a broom is a true and X has a wand is true, baru you boleh dapat siapa the wizard. Then baru you boleh get who is the wizard. Okay, before this, we know that we have one wizard. Our wizard is Ron. Okay, so we want to prove either we have another wizard based on the rules. Okay, someone is a wizard if he or she has a broom and he or she has a wand. Okay, so as you can see here, has a broom here is come out from the rules here. Okay, to get the answer for the rules one, which is we want to get the answer either X is a wizard, we must fire the rule. We must get this rules first. So as I said last week, we have two ways how to write a rules. Okay, kita ada dua cara macam ni kita nak membina rules kita to build our rules. Salah satu cara, the first one, we use the facts that we already have. Kalau you dah ada facts, kita akan panggil facts kita. Okay, which is we have a facts named critic player. So Harry is a critic player. So the first rules, it's derived from the facts, our third facts. Okay, which is Harry as critic player. So has broom actually is a head. Okay, rules ni dia ada head and body. Head dia yang depan ni lah kelas yang before mata dengan hidung tu. Okay, and then we have a head and then at the back is a body. So the head of our rules, it's derived from the critic player, which is our facts in the knowledge base. Okay, Harry is a critic player. Okay, and then the second rules, okay, this is the second rule, X is a wizard if X has a broom. Okay, this these rules come out from derived from these rules, means rules 2 dia panggil rules 1. Okay, they call the rules 1 and then has a warning actually our second facts. So rules ni dia ada dua cara lah kelas kalau you nak buat, sama ada from the facts and then of kita dari from our rules yang kita ada. So the new name, actually the head this is the head. Actually the head is a new name. Nama baru yang you need to think lah. Example has a broom. We don't have as a broom here. We don't have as broom. But wizard, never mind, we have a wizard. Sometimes it can be a new name, yang nama baru lah, we create it, ataupun kita boleh create based on relationships yang ada pada our facts. Okay, and then try to type these rules in your facts, in your knowledge base tab here. Has broom. Okay, and then you can replace with the variables, because in Prolog, variable in the capital letter, and then lowercase is a constants. Okay, normally in rule is a general knowledge. So general knowledge ni dia general. By general, that's why we represent with the variables. Sebab dia general knowledge. It's different from the facts. Facts is a specific knowledge. Specific knowledge ni memang kita dah specific. It said that Ron is a wizard. Harry has won. Ali has won. And then Harry is a Quidditch player. Just delete this one. Okay. So that is why this one is specific Ron, Harry, and Harry. But in the rules, we use the variables. So we replace with the X. X can be Ron or Harry. Okay, and then you can put the Quidditch player. Quidditch player, and then X. Okay, this is the first rule. X is a broom. So this is a typo error. Broom. Okay, check the ni has a broom, Quidditch player, and then the second rules you can put here. Wizard. X is a wizard. Is a wizard if, sorry, okay. If X a broom, S a broom, and N, okay, use this comma, and then has one. X we represent with the X, and then put the period sign there, and then you can compile buffer. Okay, this is just a warning, never mind, warning, it's normal kan, even you use the C++, sometimes has a warning but no error. Then one just click the, never mind, just click you punya ni, okay, but actually there is no error because we have the green line there, and then okay, click your space keyboard, and then you can start to find out who has a broom. Okay, we want to query our knowledge base, who has a broom. So who we can replace with the variable X, and then put the period sign, and then click enter. Okay, the result is Harry. Why? Because someone that has a broom is a Quidditch player. So in our knowledge base, Harry is a Quidditch player, so Harry has a broom. Okay, now we try our second rules, wizard. Okay, who is the wizard? So wizard X. Okay, replace with the variable, and then put the period sign there, and then click enter. Ron. Okay, because when we run the Prolog, okay, and then the compiler will find out the first facts that it's fine, yeah. Okay, sorry, it's found Ron is a wizard as our first facts. Ron is a wizard, and then After that, that's why Ron is the first answer. Okay, compiler will do a backtracking. Okay, they akan searching. Okay, and then they akan meshkan lah our relationships with Z. Okay, same with Z, and then inside the parentheses we have one argument. So X also one variable, mean X is a Ron. Dia akan check juga argument tu ada berapa. Kalau satu ke dua ke dia akan ambil yang mesh. Kalau dua tak mesh, so dia tak akan ambil yang tu Kalau satu baru dia matching, baru dia akan ambil. So dia akan return the result Ron. Okay, after that, as you can see, we have another answer, okay, or result, because our cursor still waiting there, and then we need to put the semicolon, means or. Okay, and then we have the second result is a Harry. Why? Because our rules said that someone is a wizard if he or she has a broom. Okay, who has a broom? Harry. And then Harry must have has one. Okay, if we check our rules, sorry, our facts, our second facts, Harry has a wand. So X is a Harry. So Harry has a broom and Harry has a wand. Harry has a broom is true. Okay, based on the rules one. And then we check at the either Harry has one, yes. And when we check our knowledge base, Harry has one. So true and true. So it will return true. Ingat tak, true and true, true and false, true and false is false, false and true is false, false and false is a false. Tu kalau and, kalau or, true and true, true. Selagi true, you dapat true lah. True and true is true, true false, you get true, false true, you will get true, false and false, baru you akan dapat false. Betul tak? That is a logical expression lah. Because Prolog is still with the logic, so in class dia belum main dengan logic. So inilah dia. This is a Prolog. Okay, so we got the answer. X is wizard, so our X is a Harry. So that's why we got Harry as our second answer. Ron and Harry. Okay. Okay tak kelas? Boleh tak? Okay.
Boleh. Boleh, Doktor.
Okay. Okay, good. Okay. And then maybe we can try to find out either Harmonian is a wizard. So kat sini kalau you type, dia akan return as a false. Kenapa? Sebab we don't have Harmonians. Harmonians ya, Saya pun tak tahu nak sebut nama dia. Harmony. Not stated in our knowledge base. This one it will return false. Okay, in Prolog, false means I don't know. Because the compiler try to find out in our knowledge base either we have Harmonian or not. So dia tak jumpa kan? So dia kata I don't know. False means I don't know. Okay. Okay. That's we have tried our Prolog Lab part 1, and then now I would like to give you this tutorial, and then I give you sometimes, okay. Okay, you boleh refer notes. Saya bagi awak masa maybe 10 minutes cukup tak? Okay. Ke 15 minutes? You get this tutorial? Logic programming with Prolog tutorial, actually tutorial 1. Based on knowledge below. Okay, identify the element of logic programming. Okay, this is example. Assertions. What is assertion? Assertion is a fact actually. Dia tanya yang mana satu facts. And then horn clauses. Horn clauses is rules. So, what are the rules? And then relations, you just list down the relation yang kat luar ni kelas, man, like, it's, something like that. And then parameter is inside our parentheses lah, in the bracket, that is a parameter. Maybe you can just list down. Okay, so our assertions is Jack is a man, Fred is a man, and Bob is a man. Ni saya bagi jawapan pula kan. Tak apalah, bagi chance sikit lah. Nanti question number 2 and so on, you buat sendiri lah. Okay, and then our horn clauses is X eats Y if X is a man and X like Y. So itu kita horn clauses. Relations, man, like, and eats. Okay, parameter, Jack, Fred, Bob, stick. That is a parameter lah. X and Y. Okay, next. Okay, based on the following facts in Prolog. Ni. Dia suruh you buat apa? Predict the responses for following queries. Okay. John age is 14. Okay. Dalam apa kita kata parenthesis kita kelas, dia bukan boleh terdiri daripada constants, juga variables. Selain tu, constant ni dia boleh terdiri bukan sahaja letter, macam strings, Johnny macam tu kan. Dia pun boleh terdiri daripada dia juga boleh terdiri daripada this one. Kita panggil apa, literal integer, or boleh terdiri daripada
Minggu lepas dia tanya betul ke tak pergi 19 kan? Tak confirm lagi daripada minggu lepas. Dia cakap tak confirm lagi. Lepas tu yang dia suruh dia ambil cuti je. Ambil je lah cuti dulu. Sebab kawan awak cakap macam mana nak ambil? Kalau tak confirm takkanlah awak nak cuti kan?
Ada yang terbuka mic ke?
Kena hantar hari ni.
Okay. Okay, dia boleh terdiri daripada number, literal number ataupun floating point number lah. Okay, John age is 14, Roger age is 16, Mary age is 10. Okay, and then we have another facts. Johnny gender is male, Roger gender is male, and Mary gender is females. Okay, predict the responses for the following queries. Okay, so dia nak keluar, maksudnya name, gender, female. As you can see, the first our first item here, name start with the capital letter. It means that is a variables. Okay, dia samalah maksud dengan x, y, z, something like that. So kat sini sebenarnya dia nak find out who is females. Okay, who is females. So because and name ni dia represent with the variable, so female F ni adalah constant, so kita akan tengok yang female nya. Jadi how the prologues find out the answer? First dia akan check the gender. Okay, and then we have three facts has a gender, and then name. Okay, Johnny. But and then when it checked our second part is female, so Johnny is a male. Okay, female and male is not same, so cancel. Okay, Prolog will we'll cancel this one. Okay, this is not right. Okay, go to the second facts. Name Roger. Okay, your name is Roger, and then females, but this one male. Okay, cancel this one, and then you will find this one. Mary. Okay, your Mary. Actually, your name is a Mary. And then check female. Yes, female. So the answer is a Mary. And then that's all. Is the answer. If now we go to the second example. And second questions. Underscore is an anonymous variable. Okay, dalam nota last week saya dah tunjuk what is an anonymous variable kan. Dia just variables yang kita tak nak tahu apa dia punya content dia. But dia hanya digunakan untuk nak completekan your bilangan tuple ni je. Sebab dalam ni we have two, isn't it? One, two, one, two, one, two, and then we have one, two, one, two. Okay, jadi this question, actually, this query, it's only one to find out. We have the male gender. Okay, can try to check male. So, but we don't have the answer normally because we didn't want to find who is the male. Okay, never mind. I will try to check the answer here. Okay. Ni lah jawapan yang tadi kelas. Parameter masuk sekali lah. Okay. This one dia akan return as a, yeah.
So kalau contoh kan, kita pun boleh guna Prolog untuk buat dalam, kita buat dalam sistem untuk double check jawapan. Ke tak boleh?
Nak double check jawapan apa? Oh, ini. Yang ni.
So macam contoh kan, kita write all the facts dalam sistem Prolog, lepas tu kita cari, boleh kan?
Macam ni, dia suruh buat jawapan dia kan. Kalau dalam exam tak boleh lah sebab apa? You tak ada komputer kan. You don't have the compiler. Tapi kalau assignment, tutorial, boleh untuk check. Tapi better you try it first lah. Sebab you kena fahamkan dulu. You run in the compiler to check your answer boleh. Tapi kalau you tak cuba, you just terus type on the compiler and then you just wait the answer yang compiler tu carikan untuk you. Yang itu tak berapa sesuai dah sebenarnya sebab you kena try first baru you boleh check. Kalau you tak try dulu, you terus macam kita lah buat. Kita tak try dulu buat apa-apa, kita terus tengok jawapan je kan dan hafal jawapan. Dia mungkin tak berapa boleh ingat lah sebab you tak mencuba kan. Tapi bolehlah check, you boleh check lah kalau some tutorials ke assignment ke kan. Boleh, no problem. Cuma you try buat dulu. Sebab kalau exam, you tak ada compiler kan. Lepas tu you pun alamak macam mana you tak compiler. Sebab you pun tak pernah try untuk compile sendiri with your mind kan. So maybe akan susah sikit lah kot masa exam, susah nak ingat. Okay. Adakah saya menjawab soalan anda? Betul, okay, boleh. Okay, this one dia akan return true. Kenapa true? Sebab we have the facts male. Okay, that's all. Dia just nak tahu ada tak kita ada tak facts male. Dia tak nak tahu who is the male, who is that person kan. Dia tak nak tahu siapa orang tu. Sebab tu dia letak underscore means is anonymous variables. Okay. Now we want to find out name, age 16. Who is the person who the age is 16? Kalau kita tengok kat sini, of course kita tahulah Roger kan. Tapi how the Prolog do? Okay, dia akan pergi cari name tu mula dia akan pegang Johnny. So the match kan 16 with the 14. Okay, tak match. Okay, so dia akan go to the second facts. Okay, so name is a Roger. Roger is 16, yes, same. So dia akan keluarkan the result is draw first. So we will get name. Name is Roger. It will take Roger. Okay, so lepas tu kalau you put the semicolon, dia akan cari lagi lah. Ni dah pergi. Okay, dia akan find this one. Okay, Mary, but the age not same with the 16 and 10 is not same. So, dia akan cancel this one. Okay, so gender not match with the age. So, the answer is Roger. Okay, now the question asks you to write query for the question below. Macam mana nak buat query? Tadi dia nak you predict the response kan, the answer. Now you just write the query. Kalau write the query, you type the query lah. Okay. How to answer the B1? Display Mary age. How to display Mary age? Okay. Okay. Anyone can try? Display Mary age. Ada nak cuba tak? Tak ada. Ada nak cuba tak macam nak buat query? Boleh? Ah, okay. You nak buat query, you kena tengok tanya. So you buat macam ni lah kelas. Kita letak age kat depan. Kita punya depan ni letak question marks and tanda dash kat situ age and then display Mary. So Mary tu dia dah mention Mary kan. So jangan pakai capital letter sebab kalau capital letter Mary tu dah jadi variables. So make it a Mary tu as a constant lah sebab kita nak Mary tu. So Mary Mary and then age kan. Age Mary adalah 10. Tapi you boleh replace dengan variable maybe X. So nanti dia akan keluarkanlah X is 10. Okay, boleh. So jawapan ni sebenarnya ini je kelas. Sebab dia kata write a query. Dia tak suruh you cari answer kan. Kalau dia kata write the query and give the output, baru you boleh bagi macam ni sekali lah. Tapi kalau dia kata just write a query, you jawab yang ini je. Yang inilah jawapan you sebenarnya. Okay, boleh kelas. Okay. Second question B2. List the male name. Dia nak gender lah kan. Kalau male ni kan gender. Nampaknya saya lah yang bertanya dan saya juga yang menjawab.
Gender, kurungan.
Apa? Siapa dia nak cuba? Gender. Okay, buat question marks dulu. And then tanda dash sebab dia kata query kan. Query ni lah format buat query kan. Kita buat dekat ni actually. Kalau kita type, nanti you boleh try kelas. You punya knowledge base tu you type lah yang gender dengan age tu. Letak kat sini. And then lepas tu you boleh compile. And then query nak type kat mana? Query buat kat sini. Okay. Okay, list tu senaraikan the male ni. The male name, okay. Male tu memang gender yang dia nak kan. Tapi name, maybe you boleh buat gender. Apa dia?
Gender, lepas tu kurungan X. Betul lah.
Pandai. Apa kurungan X? X dulu baru kurungan. Betul tak? Awak jangan buat X ni, X dengan tu terbalik. Awak kena follow you punya facts ni. Dekat facts kita ada gender kan. Depan dia apa? Depan dia punya name kan. Name tu sebab dia nak name tu. Name tu yang kita jadikan dia as a variable. Dia male. Ni salah saya yang silap kejap. Sorry. Yang ni male. Saya dia kata nak ni male kan. Male tu jadikan dia constant. Name tu memang jadikan dia variable. Dia boleh name ke ataupun X ke kan. Betul lah kot awak cakap tadi. Saya pula tak perasan. Okay, and then dia punya gender dia kat belakang ni kan. Male and female. You letak kat belakang. Tu baru letak tanda tu. Okay. Betul lah awak cakap tadi macam ni. Siapa yang bercakap tadi? Hafiz Apa Mafiz
Saya tak tahu. Saya cuba saja.
Betul tak tadi awak cuba yang ni? Jawapan dia?
Saya ingat sebab saya yang male tu tak saya buat gender kurungan X. Kalau buat kurungan X mungkin dia akan keluar male, female.
Yeah. So you kena ni lah. Sebab male ni kategori gender. So depan ni relationship ni kita ambil lah gender kan. And then dia kata male name. Kalau kita tengok in our facts, male tu duduk kat belakang. So kita nak yang male tu memang dah constant kan. Dia nak yang male. Yang variable ni dia nak name tu. Name tu boleh jadi either Johnny, Roger or Mary kan. Tapi bila dia nak male, of course dia dapat dua lah result you. Johnny and Roger. Mary tak lah because of Mary is a female. So kalau you buat macam ni, nanti you boleh try type. Okay, sementara saya buat ni, maybe you boleh ada ambil kertas, you boleh tulis lah jawapan dia kan. And then nanti boleh semak. Boleh buat sendirilah. Okay, and then the B3. Okay, B3, is Roger 10 years old? Dia nak check whether Roger is a 10 years old. Roger is a 16 kan? Tapi kita nak check. Macam mana? You bawa je. Macam ni. You ambil age Roger and then you gantikan dengan 10. Nanti kita tengok result dia apa. Roger dia kata years old ni actually age kan? Age. So letak relationship dia age. Age okay. And then nama dia cakap Roger kan? So letak je Roger. Okay, jangan letak X. Kalau letak X nanti dia keluarkan X dia 16. Sebenarnya itu bukan apa yang dia nak kan. Apa dia nak check whether Roger ni 10 years old or not. Just letak 10 kat belakang ni. Nanti dia check kita punya saya padam sekejap. Kita check our facts. Okay, dia akan pergi dia akan carilah, dia tengok facts pertama is Johnny, so taklah dia takkan ambil sebab confirm bukan Johnny. Okay, so dia go to the second facts is Roger. Sini 16, sini 10. So dia akan jawab no. Kalau tak no, dia jawab false. No ataupun false depends on compiler that you use. Okay, as example, we use SWI Prolog ni, SWI Prolog. Prolog normally dia akan return false, and or true. If true, it will return as a true. Kalau false, dia tak jumpa, dia kata false lah. Tapi kalau you use macam another example LPA Prolog, LPA Prolog ni pun one of the compiler, dia akan return as a no. Dia tak keluarkan false, dia keluar no. Kalau true tu dia keluarkan as a yes. But the answer actually same Okay, boleh tak kelas? Ni macam salah je saya betul ke H? H, okay betul. H, G ni macam Y kan? Okay, boleh Okay. Okay, now. Okay. Before this, you all jumpa dua je tuple kan? Two tuples macam ni. Ataupun I reti lah bilangan dia ada dua. John and H. Okay. Johnny and 14. You ada dua tuples. Okay. Boleh dia ada lebih. Dia boleh ada lebih. As example this one ni ada 3 tuples. 3 tuples you ada Charles Kids 1755. Okay. Charles Kids is a brand. Yang ni comment ni kelas. Prolog comment in a percent. Percent is a comment in Prolog. So, Soul Shoe, depan ni Soul Shoe. Inside the parenthesis is a brand. So the second argument, second object is a price, and then the third object is a size. So our first facts is Charles Kids. How to read this one? Charles Kids Soul Shoes 175 and 5 means it's a 5 is a price, and then the size is a 5. Okay, Vinci Soul Shoes 69, 71. MNG Soul Shoes 110 and 7 for the size. Okay, considering the following query. Okay, query yang kat atas tu What does X represent? X ni apa kelas? Based on the following query, you tengok je query ni. What is X? Variable. The answer is variable. X is a variables. Variables which is a brand lah. Boleh. What does underscore represent? You tampak the second one is a underscore kan? Underscore tu is an anonymous variable. The answer is anonymous variable. Ini dah jadi case saya tanya, saya jawab ni. Okay, what will be the output? Yang ni you jawab lah. Apa output dia? So, bila kita type kita punya all the our facts ni dalam kita punya ni, SWI Prolog ni.
Keluar Charles.
All the facts. Apa answer dia?
Dia
Ni
akan
based on
keluar,
query ni.
dia akan
Result dia apa?
keluarkan frame, price, size, semua tu keluar.
Vinci and MNG.
Yeah, the answer actually Vinci and MNG. Bukan semua keluar tadi siapa yang kata semua tadi?
Saya doktor.
Ikwan tak apa, good try. Actually bukan semua sebab you kena mashkan ni kelas. Ni. Saya tunjuk you kena mashkan tiga-tiga ni. Okay, X ni boleh jadi Charles, boleh Charles and Keats, boleh jadi Charles Keats, boleh jadi Vinci, boleh jadi MNG. Okay. So we try with the Charles dulu. Dia akan ambil Charles ni dulu. Okay. So your X is Charles. Okay. CHA. Tulisan saya ni memang tak cantik tau. Kalau you nak banding dengan Dr. Azliza memang jauh lah. Okay, X ni dia tak nak, dia tak ambil pun tak apa, just abaikan. Sorry. So yang underscore tu tak ada. So 5 ni. 5 ni tak match kan? So dia akan cancel this one. Dia tak akan ambil ni. So dia go to the second facts. Okay. Vinci. Okay, dia akan ambil X is a Vinci. Ini dia tak perlu dia tahu sebab you represent with underscore kan. Dia abaikan je. And then 7. Oh, match. Kan? So, you dapat Vinci. And then go, dia cari lagi, ada lagi tak? Kalau ada, dia akan cari sampai habis. Okay, MNG. Okay, MNG at your X is a MNG. Okay, and then yang tak penting, okay, match tak? Okay, match. Kalau tak match nanti kita buang lah, maksudnya dia tak akan ambil. So you have to answer Vinci and MNG. Okay, ni kalau kita tak semicolon lagi, dia akan kata no lah. No tu maksudnya I don't know, dia tak jumpa. Atau kalau bukan no, dia akan keluar false. Kadang-kadang tak keluar jugalah lepas you letak tu dia keluar another new line. Depends lah compiler tu. Okay, boleh kelas. So this one output dia. Dah pandai dah. So you can try. Okay, and then given the following English statement, suggest the fact for given statement. Dia suruh you buat facts based on this statement. So macam mana? Macam nak buat ni? Charles and Keats shoe is sold by Lana. Kita tak ada lah lagi facts tu. So we need to create the facts. Try buat dulu. Maybe you buat kejap, nanti you boleh bagi jawapan. Okay, and then the second facts yang dia nak, MIG shoe is sold by Mary Kate. Kalau you boleh buat yang first facts, B ni, yang the first one, you can do the second one. Kita buat facts baru kelas, based on this statement. Okay. Okay, anyone want to try? Our first Charles and Kate shoe is sold by. Kalau boleh kita remains nama yang sama lah kan, nama sama cuma sold by Lana tu maybe you need to create a new relationship lah. Tapi kalau macam brand tu dia dah ada kan, Charles Kate, so you use the same name.
Doktor.
Ah,
So kita pakai yang benda yang sama kat atas betul tak?
kita pakai yang sama tu is a brand name je. Tapi kalau yang dekat relationship, you need to create a new relationship. Kenapa? Sebab kita nak create facts baru.
Nana
Ini
dengan
facts.
Mary Kate kan?
Facts lama kita sold by, sold shoe and sold shoe. Kita ada satu je lah sold shoe lah. Tapi kita ada 3 facts. So yang ini maksudnya dia nak you buat facts baru. Suggest the fact for given statements. Ni in English statement lah, our natural language.
So, kalau kita
Yang first tu tak boleh tambah lagi kan?
Tambahlah you kena buat sebab dia kata based on statement, ada 2 statement kan kat bawah tu, you create the new facts.
So underscore shoe brand price size, lepas tu lagi satu tambah store lah, boleh?
Tak berapa tepat.
Tak berapa tepat.
Good try
Okay.
but tak berapa tepat. Dia tak semestinya kena sama macam ni lah. Dia kan ada 3 RIT, tak semestinya. Dia boleh ada 1 RIT atau 2 RIT based on statement ni.
Tapi kalau buat cerita boleh juga
Sebab dia tak bagi size.
Uh,
Oh,
Madam,
you nak letak underscore tu.
Madam,
Apa dia? You nak letak underscore tu lah maksud you dalam you punya facts.
kalau ganti price dengan size tu dengan nama Lana tu boleh?
Boleh?
Just tukar jadi satu variable.
Okay, apa jawapan you?
So, guna yang atas tu.
Guna yang atas.
Soul underscore shoes. Dalam kurungan Charles and Kennis, koma.
Macam ni betul? Shoe. Lepas tu?
Charles and Kennis.
Okay, kejap. Saya alihkan ke atas. Charles.
Kennis.
Charles Kate.
Koma Lana.
Koma lepas tu Lana.
Ya.
Okay, and then tutup ni. Okay, so shoes. Dia tak berapa tepat. Kenapa? Sebab nanti bila kita nak cari yang ini, dia jumpa ni dia tak match kan? Sebab untuk soul shoes kita ada 3 arity. Kita ada 3 tuples. You tak apa, you create dia. Okay, jawapan dia nak jawapan terus tak? Kan dia nak cuba lagi. Dia nak cuba lagi ke? Alah, senang je. Ni kan dia kata soul by kan? Tukarlah soul by. Soul by ke underscore ke. Charles Kids. Lana. Sebab apa? Sebab bila soul shoes ni, dia untuk 3 arity. Sebab dia brand, price dengan size. Tapi bila soul by ni, you ada 2 arity. So bila kita nak cari soul by tu, kita tak payah pergi sampai sini. Dia pergi sini terus. Faham tak? Boleh tak kelas?
Boleh.
So kita boleh create a new name for our ni lah, new relationship untuk kita punya facts. Sama juga macam kita create kita punya rules. Sebab dia kata given the English statements, suggest the facts for given statement. Dia based on statement ni. You kena follow statement ni. Okay. Okay, MNG yang ni pun sama lah guys. You boleh buat sold by. Yang ni boleh underscore pun boleh lah terpulang kat awak. Tapi guna cara yang standard lah. Kalau the first one you guna macam saya buat ni. The second one you kena follow lah. Tak boleh lain. Jangan tiba-tiba you buat macam kreatif sikit kan. Nak lain. Tak boleh. Nanti dia tak jumpa. Bila dia nak cari dia tak jumpa. Dia tak match. So kena buat matching sikit lah. So kena guna saya buat macam ni. So you continue with the soul. Ni huruf kecil kan. Kalau S nampak besar. Actually taklah dia huruf kecil. Sold by, maybe ni lah huruf besar, boleh sold by, MNG, koma, Mary Kate, Mary Kate ni boleh rapat ke nak jauh? Boleh rapat ke, boleh dijauhkan ke nak letak underscore? Boleh rapat ke? Kena rapat. Kalau saya jauhkan boleh ke? Saya jarakkan Mary and Kate. Boleh tak? Tak boleh. So sama ada you rapatkan huruf besar dan huruf kecil semua boleh. Buat macam ni atau nak letak underscore. Mary and Kate you separate with the underscore. So ini huruf kecil. Okay, MNG. Macam saya pernah cakap dengan awak jangan terpengaruh dengan soalan atau pernyataan yang dia beri. MNG memang actually dia punya brand dalam huruf besar kan. MNG. So jangan pakai MNG. Ni salah sebab ini bukan constant. Untuk facts kita pakai constant. Kita tak pakai variables. Ni kalau macam ni dah jadi variables. M huruf besar ke atau all the capital letter, that is a variable. Ini pun sama dia. Relationships dalam ni semua kena pakai lower case. That is the constants. Okay, not the variables. Okay, next we go to sekejap kita rehat Saya bagi masa awak buat yang ni lah. Oh,
Doktor,
yang ni kalau apa?
madam
Ya.
kalau nak gabungkan yang facts yang first yang kita ada dengan yang facts yang baru kita buat tu, kita kena buat rules lah.
Tak, you masukkan je yang yang tadi saya dah delete pula yang saya type tadi, yang saya tulis tadi. You masukkan je dalam ni. Sebab dia adalah facts, dia belum masuk rules lagi, dia tak ada rules. Kalau ikut soalan ni kita tak ada rules, kita hanya ada fact. Masukkan je kat bawah. Kalau you write the compiler you kan, you buat je kat sini. Tapi you tak ada rules, memang soalan tu tak ada rules. Tapi dia boleh buat query. Ini query. Query kita buat kat sini. After we type our facts here and then we compile. We compile and then you akan dapat ni lah. Mana dia dah ni? Yang kita akan dapat this one. So yang ini tempat you buat query yang ni. Yang saya tulis tadi semua saya dah pajam kan. Okay, then itu je, dia tak ada rules kan. So awak just masukkan je, tambah je dekat bawah ni.
Kalau saya nak cari apa Lana Soul apa
Oh, you
size
nak
5
nak
macam
tanya?
tu?
Tak ada. Dia tak boleh dapat Lana. Oh, you nak kata Lana dia sold size 5 tu eh? Dia macam rules facts tadi dia tak ada kaitan pula dengan tu sebab kita tak ada rules.
Okay.
Dia tak ada kaitan, dia adalah facts yang berbeza. You tak boleh cari adakah Lana berjaya jual size 5. Saya faham maksud awak tapi dia tak boleh cari sebab kita tak ada rules.
Okay.
So you kena yang itu baru you kena create the rules lah. Kita nak create rules untuk ni. Untuk nak tahu Lana yang jual benda tu kan. Jual ni size 5. You kena create the rules lah. Okay. Nanti saya fikir pasal rules tu. Okay, now you tengok question number 4. Yang ini korang kalau perasan this is we have vehicle type, car, van, MPV, and then car we have gear type, automatic, manual, and then automatic is 100, manual is 60. Ni adalah rental fee rental fee. So dia kata write Prolog facts for the above data. Okay, and then lepas you dah buat ni, and then create the queries. Create the queries to display all vehicle type that are rented by the company. And then display rental rate for van based on its gear type and how much is manual MPV rental rate per day. First of all, memang kena buat facts dulu. Lepas tu baru buat queries. Kat sini dia tak ada minta you buat rules kan? Tapi never mind. From the facts, kita boleh get the answer. Okay, cuba buat facts dulu. Ini macam kalau dalam programming C++, Java, kalau ada table macam ni, dia if else tu tak kelas. If kita check dulu whether that vehicle is a car. Yes, if a car, check pula gear type dia. Adakah is it the car automatic? Okay, if automatic, so our rental fee is 100. If our car is a manual, so the rental fee is 60. But in Prolog, kita boleh, kita tak ada if else. Tapi dia ada rules lah. Tapi kat sini tak payah buat rules, you just buat facts. Okay, anyone? Nak cuba tak? Yang B tu nanti saya bagi awak masa buat sendiri. Nanti baru saya boleh bincang kat awak jawapan dia. Try buat facts dulu. Kat luar dia nak tak apa Apa relationship tengah fikir kan? Okay, saya bagi masa awak 5 minit lah. Sekarang pukul berapa? 2 minutes So I give you Okay, I give you 5 minutes. It start now lah. Then 8 nanti saya tanya awak punya jawapan eh. Okay. Uh, let's we check our our output. Stop video. Okay. Okay. And then share. Okay, have you see the slide? The words, Microsoft Word?
Yes.
Okay. So what are the facts class? Before we continue to our, actually we have another slide after this, arithmetic. Okay, what's the prolog facts for above data? Okay.
Vehicle rental car automation 100.
Mm-hmm.
And then yang car manual 60, van automatic 300, van manual 180, MPV automatic 500 dengan MPV manual 300.
Okay, relationship dia apa dia? Rental lah.
Vehicle rental.
Okay, vehicle rental. Okay, good. P nak buat vehicle rental. Okay, saya buat underscore lah maybe kan. Rental. Okay. And then inside the parentheses.
Car.
Okay, car. Lowercase uppercase.
Lowercase.
Okay.
And then automatic lowercase.
Automatic.
And then 100.
100s. And then?
Lepas tu yang car untuk manual 60.
Okay, jangan lupa ni tanda period. Period tu jangan lupa lah. Nanti ada error pula. Okay, lepas tu sambunglah car, vehicles, rental, still car, and then manual.
Manual and 60.
60. Okay, yang lain sama. You copy and paste je.
Copy and paste je.
Yes, good. Siapa cakap ni? Nazatu Farah Hidayah. Betul. Betul lah tu. Nanti yang lain-lain tu sama you buat. Okay, yang lain okay tak? Faham tak? Okay. Depan tu you letaklah nama yang berkaitan lah. Macam dia kata vehicle rental. Okay, boleh lah. Ataupun vehicles je pun boleh. Vehicle type pun boleh. Tapi you kena standard lah. Kalau once you guna vehicle rental ni, nanti all your facts kena sama And then kalau you create rules pun, rules you kena follow you punya name facts you. Kena sama. So kalau exam lah, you tengok orang sebelah like, kenapa tak sama kan? Tak, prolog ni dia tak mesti kena jawapan dengan orang sebelah tu kena sama ikut macam mana you declare you punya, you make your facts and then ikut juga you punya rules. Okay. Nanti yang lain-lain sama kah? Si you buat vehicle rental, van automatic, van dalam dia and then automatic, itu letak price stands on. Okay. And then now you create the queries. Query pula. Query ni, dia tak minta rules dia minta query. Jadi you type all you punya facts, lepas tu query, lepas you compile, nanti query tu buat dekat console window tu kan. Okay, dia nak display all vehicle type that are rented by the company. Dia nak you list down all kan. Macam mana nak buat query dia supaya boleh keluar, boleh display all.
Vehicle rental and then vehicles V as a variable.
Okay. Okay, you buat vehicle rental. Lepas tu V as a variable. Okay, tu.
And then underscore.
Okay, good. Betul lah ni. Sebab dia tak nak tahu pun you punya gear type and your rental rate. Dia just nak tahu vehicle type. That's why you just letak V saja. So nanti dia akan keluar lah. Your answer apa dia?
Car, van,
Your
MPV.
your V is car, semicolon, and then your V is a van, semicolon. Ni semua huruf kecil lah sebab dia akan follow you punya facts you And then your last one, V is your MPV. MPV ni pun pakai lowercase kan, jangan pakai ni. Walaupun jawab dalam exam, dia pakai depan huruf besar. Ni dalam ni MPV tu kan, multi-purpose vehicle kan. So pun pakai huruf besar, you jangan pakai lah. You pakai constants. Okay, okay, and then number 2, B2. Display rental rate for van based on its gear type. Dia nak
Vehicle rental. And
Okay,
then yang V huruf kecil van.
vehicle rental. Okay. And then huruf
Van.
kecil van. Okay.
And then underscore.
Underscore based on gear type underscore. Okay.
And then R for read for variable.
Variable dia nak read
And dot.
Okay, tanda dot. Okay. So tapi ayat dia rental rate for based on gear type. Saya rasa kena ada G kat sini. Kena ada variables. Sebab kita nak tahu dia punya, kalau kita tak ada score, kita tak tahu dia keluarkan van ni, automatic ke auto, dia keluarkan ni je. Nanti you punya result is 300 dengan 180 je. Which is, your result is R sahaja. Tapi kita tak tahu dia first R ni apa, dia second R is apa, betul tak? So kena ada G. Sebab kita nak output you, kita nak ada gear type ni. Jadi your output akan keluar G, your G is tu untuk van kan, dia akan ambil automatic. Lepas tu semicolon sekejap, ada semicolon. Tak, dia tak ada semicolon. Kejap Dia tak akan keluar, jangan letak semicolon. Dia memang tak ada semicolon output dia. Sebab apa? Sebab dia belum habis dia punya ni. Dia terus akan keluar ni. Dia akan terus keluar automatic dan dia bawa sekali R tu. R is automatic dia 300 kan? 300. Masa tu baru ada semicolon. Baru you kena letak the semicolon and then the second result dia akan keluarkan your G is a manual. And then your R is a 180. Tu you letak semicolon nanti dia akan kata no or false lah. Maksudnya dah tak ada dia tak jumpa lagi. Okay, boleh kelas?
Boleh.
Okay, the last one. How much is manual MPV rented per day? Dia dalam ni dah ada dah. Kita punya ni. Kejap saya kena delete lah semua benda ni. Ni semua kita delete dulu. Okay. How much the manual MPV rental per day? MPV rental. Dia nak manual kan? Per day dia nak cari. Jadi apa dia punya query? Ada nak cuba? Anyone?
Vehicle rental.
Okay. Vehicle. Tak ada ni Vehicle rental. Okay.
MPV kecil.
MPV.
And then manual.
Saya delete. Tadi yang sempat salin tak tadi?
Ada.
Tak perlu. Dah boleh kan? Okay. Okay, dia nak MPV manual kan? Manual ni you just remain manual lah sebab kita memang dah ada manual dalam kita punya facts kan? Dia huruf kecil, manual. Lepas tu?
And then
kita nak read kan?
R besar.
Okay. Okay, good. Betul lah. So our result bila you click enter dia akan keluar R is 300. Macam tu sebab dia akan ambil ni. MBV, manual, rental. Okay, kalau you ada facts tadi, dia akan check lah yang tadi. Okay, boleh Okay, good. Settle untuk tutorial 1. And then nanti kita sekejap saya close benda ni. Okay, and then saya nak continue dengan ini pun kita tutup dulu lah. Kita sambung kita punya ni notes kita ni. Bukan ni PowerPoint. Ni PDF. Okay, this is the arithmetic. Dah settle tadi kan? Actually, saya ada another tutorial. Lepas tu, Dr. Aziza pun ada sediakan you punya exercise. So, nanti you boleh try lah buat Okay, settle about the last week class. And then for this week, we want to continue with the operator and arithmetic in the prologue. Okay, can you see the slide, class?
Yes, Doktor.
Yes. Okay, arithmetic. Arithmetic is how we do a calculation in Prolog. Okay, actually Prolog can do a calculations. Okay, use predicate is okay. Is /2 not equal. Okay, ini /2 tu tak ada plus sebenarnya, dia just bagi. Sebenarnya dalam Prolog kita tak ada tanda ni, tanda equals yang macam assignment statement tu kan. Kalau in C, Java memang adalah C++. Contoh total is A plus B. But in Prolog, dia punya tanda ni replace with the words is is. Okay. Is takes an arithmetic expression on its right, evaluates it and unifies the result with the arguments on the left. Okay. As example macam ni class. X is 2 plus 1. So nanti you will get the X lah. Okay, X is 9. And then A is 1. X is A plus 5. Okay, yang ini you assign lah. Assign 1 to the A. So, X is 1 plus 5 lah. So, your X is actually 6. Okay, difference with is and this one. Apa beza dia? Beza dia macam tadi lah. Okay, kalau in Prolog tanda ni actually macam kita assign the value kan. Kalau is evaluate its right argument and unifies, it will weights its argument on the left. Do calculations. This one we do a calculations. Okay, kalau tanda assignment statement ni is to test if both argument on the left and right are unified. Do unifications. Kita nak tengok dia macam equals ke tak kan. Okay, functor. Functor that can be used in arithmetic expression. Ini antara operators yang terlibat lah. Okay. Functor ni actually function lah. Function Okay, ini for the Prolog, we also have additions. We use plus symbols. Subtractions, minus. And then multiplication is asterisk symbols That's for multiplications. And then untuk buat division, you pakai slash. And then untuk integer divisions, you pakai double slash. Kalau you nak bahagikan nombor integer, pakai double slash. Kalau nak bahagikan the floating points, you pakai slash. Okay. Ataupun dia akan return the result in the floating lah. Okay, ini another macam function, built-in function in Prolog. Dia dah ada, sama macam in a C kan. C++, kita dah ada macam ABS for the absolute value. As example, you have negative number, dia akan positifkan that number lah. Negative 3.5, it will return 3.5. Absolute tu memang dia akan sentiasa make it that number as a positive. It's a positive, they remains as a positive. Okay, and then banyak lagi lah, as you can see there, assign and so on. Ada log line. Square roots, biasa digunakan square root lah, SQRT. Stop lagi Tu antara yang biasa kita guna kan. Ni kalau nak cari minimum number, maximum number kan. Okay, as example, max x, y. The maximum value of x and y. Example, max negative 3.5 and 4. Dia akan cari which one is the maximum. So dia return 4 lah kat sini sebab antara negative 3.5 and 4 of course maximum is 4. Minimum dia akan compare antara x dan y minimum negative 3.5 and 4. So it will return negative 3.5. Dia lagi kecil daripada 4 and so on. Okay, now precedence of operator. Precedence ni dia macam hierarchy. Dia punya siapa yang paling atas, level atas yang you need to settle dulu, you selesaikan dulu, lepas tu baru you continue with the next level, first level, second level, third level and so on. That is precedence. Of course, kita tahu even in mathematics you kena satukan yang darab, kurungan first, lepas tu you kena darab. Kita kena bahagi. Okay, as example, x is 1 minus 2. And then you need to multiply 5 and then power of 2. And then divide 8 plus 6. Okay. So nak settle mana dulu? Kita settlekan yang kuasa dulu lah. 5 power of 2 first. Okay, lepas tu baru you darab. You settle this one. 5 power of 2. Lepas tu darab dengan bahagi, actually dia dalam level yang sama, same level Kalau same level, you guna rules left to the right. Left hand side dia panggil daripada kiri ke kanan. So darab belah kiri, lepas tu sebelah kanan you nampak tanda bahagi kan. So buat yang darab dulu. So lepas 5 kuasa 2, mungkin 25 kan. So you kena darabkan dengan 2. Settlekan yang darab, after that baru you 25 kali 2, 50 kan? 50. Lepas tu bahagikan 8. Baru you buat ni. Apa kita panggil? Sekejap saya jauhkan sikit benda ni. Saya ambil sebenarnya depan. Okay, baru you bahagi. Bahagikan dengan 8. Lepas tu finally baru you plus and you minus. Then you will get the result. Okay, comparison operator. Okay, dalam Prolog pun you boleh ada comparison. Nanti kita akan buatlah dia punya tutorial. Okay, greater than, x is greater than y, x less than y, x greater or equal than y, x less or equal than y, x value and y are equal. Equal ni macam tu kelas dia mata tengah dia kan, ada colon kat situ. Not equal, kat tengah-tengah dia macam tu. Dia different sikit lah. Kalau in C++, dia tak ada mata kan. Okay, ni, lepas tu kalau yang ni dia ada tanda not kan, tanda seruan. Exclamation sign. Yang ni dia ada slash, dia pakai slash. Tu tanda not equal Okay. This is example of arithmetic evaluations. 1 plus 2 equal to 2 plus 1. So, dia akan campur dulu lah kelas. 2 campur 1, 3. 2 campur 1, 3. Dan 3 sama dengan 3, yes. Okay. Kalau kita buat macam ni, tengok apa beza dia. Simbol depan ni kan. Yang ini dia nak matchkan equal ke tak. Maksudnya 1 and 2 equal or not. Plus equal tapi 2 and 1 equal not. Statement 1 plus 2 ni satu set ni sama tak dengan 2 plus 1. So dia akan return no. Sebab simbol kat sini dia maksud dia matching or not lah. Kita nak matchkan dia. Kalau yang ini baru kita boleh buat arithmetic calculation lah. Kita boleh kira dulu. Lepas tu result dia tu kita tengok compare sama tak result dia. Dia buat arithmetic. Sebab tu nama dia arithmetic evaluation. Dia can evaluate dulu. Baru dia matchkan result. Kalau yang ni tak, dia matchkan lebih kepada number tersebut. Okay. And then 1 plus A equal to B plus 2. So ini dia akan matchkan dia dan dia akan initialize value. Initiated sums. variable in A and B. Maksudnya one tanda plus tu sama. So B akan hold the value 1, A akan hold the value 2. So that's why you akan dapat A is 2 and then B is 1. Ni tanda. Sebab ni tanda dia untuk matchingkan benda tu. Okay, practical calculations. Ni. Ini dalam rules class. Contoh if kita tak tengok facts lah tapi dia just nak terus fokus on rules di mana kita boleh create rules using arithmetic symbols rules in the arithmetic in your prologues. Okay, x double of z if z is x multiply x. Maksudnya you nak dapatkan doubles antara x dengan z ni. Z ni adalah X ni variables you, X dengan X. Z ni pun actually variables lah. Tapi Z ni adalah result you. Okay, your result to Z. So Z adalah, Z is, nak dapatkan nilai Z, you kena darab X dengan X. So ini contoh dia. And then don't forget you terminate dengan period sign tanda dot kat situ. And then this one, you nampak macam ada tiga tuple kan, 3 array. Okay, W dengan H actually is a variable. Normally W for the width, H for the height. Okay. And then dia nak cari square. Okay, square dia punya relationships. And then square yang huruf besar dengan square yang huruf kecil ni actually dua benda berbeza. Satu is a constant which is our relationship. Another one is a variable square. So kelas kalau nak buat rules, apa kita punya result tu, letak yang paling belakang. Okay, dalam parameter, depan ni is apa kita punya variable yang kita nak buat operation tu lah. You nak plus or you nak, if you want to multiply it, you want to subtract, do a subtraction kan. You letak kat depan lah. Okay. And then yang belakang ni adalah actually you punya result. Okay, result yang you nak tu. Macam ni je tulisan cantik SULT. You punya result. So your result is actually square. Okay, you pakai huruf besar square. Sebab square tu variable lah. You pun boleh pakai S. Is. You kena pakai is. Sebab dalam prolog dia bukan guna tanda ni. Tanda ni untuk matching kan. Tadi dia dah cakap kan untuk you nak buat matching. Tapi kalau you nak buat calculation, you kena pakai is. You kena refer balik nota atas tadi. So square is width multiply by H. We multiplying the W and H. So we will get square. Okay, boleh tak kelas? Takat ni. Dan lupa lah ni. Tanda period kat sini. This is rules rules untuk kira double and then to calculate square. Okay, boleh Okay, now we do practical calculations. Ni lah, ni print number 5. 21 to 1 example. Ini rules. Ni kalau dalam ni we tab rules, yang ini facts kan. Rules juga. Ni susah juga praktik dia punya ni kan. Tak apa, saya bagi contoh yang mudah sikit lah. Dekat ni, kejap. Kita buka tutorial. Dah buka belum tutorial? Kena buka ni kejap kelas. Mana open week dah lama pun TOC kan. Buka je lah kan. Okay. Answer. Okay, ni tak apa, skip dulu. Ni nak bawa query. Nak baca. Kita terus tengok jawapan dulu boleh tak? Nanti sebab takut tak sempat masa kan. Ni. This is your answer. Okay. Okay, as example, given the following facts on the distance from Kuala Lumpur through bus travelling. Okay, ini facts yang you ada Okay, ini baling distance tu 421. Maknanya distance from Kuala Lumpur lah. Kuala Lumpur tu baling kan. Jerantut distance tu 279, Tanjung Malim distance tu 86, Mersing distance tu 373, Kuala Lipis distance tu 180. Okay, write the query that will display all the destination which are located less than. Less than you pakai simbol less than kan from Kuala Lumpur. So you kena relate juga kelas dengan facts yang you ada baru you boleh dapat jawapan dia lah. Okay, so write the query. You kena bawa query you lah, tak boleh terus y less than 250, tak boleh sebab dia tak ada relationship pula dengan ni, dia tak ada kaitan pula kan. So ambil, dia kata, something that located to Kuala Lumpur. Okay, so kita replace baling jerantut Tanjung Malim ni, location dekat sini dengan ke belakang ni adalah dia punya distance tu dengan variable which is x and y. So nanti dia akan keluarlah mana dia y yang sebab dia kata which are located less than 250 km. So kita nak tahu yang kilometer tu. Kan? So dia akan keluarkan x and y juga di mana kita punya ukuran adalah kita punya y which is ukuran kita adalah 250, kurang daripada 250. That's why ni y. So kita nak tahu x sebenarnya. So ambil x distance to y. Okay, and then comma. Dia jangan letak dot lagi sebab kalau dot tu macam dah terminate kan, dah habis. Comma is a n. N maksudnya hubungan dia done n. Y. Y sebab dia kata jarak kan. Distance. So y less than 250. Belakang ni is a distance, depan ni dia punya location or destinations. Jadi inilah dia. X distance to y and y less than 250. Macam ni nak buat query ni. So ini saya tunjuk penggunaan less than arithmetic. Okay, boleh tak kelas? Fahamkan yang tu? Okay, lepas tu give the output for the query. Based on query atas ni, apa output dia? So dia akan cari all the destination that less than 250. They start with the baling first. Your x is baling tapi less than 250 y dia tak match kan? Okay, dia takkan buatlah benda tu. Dia go to the second facts. Jerantut 279. No. Okay, so dia ambil. So go to the third facts, Tanjung Malim. So that's why you, and then the y is less than 250. Yes, 86 less than 250. That's why you got this one, the first answer. Ni satu set kan? Dia akan keluar Tanjung Malim. And then comma. Comma ni n sebab salah mak apa benda ni. And then comma. Okay, and then comma. And then y is 60. Dia akan keluarkan y. 66. Okay. And then Prolog will do a backtracking. Ke atas. Cari lagi. Okay, try Mersing. Okay, Mersing. Your x is Mersing, but your y 373 less than 250 is a false. No. So find another facts. Kuala Lipis. Okay, your x is Kuala Lipis. Your y 180 less than 250. Yes. So this one is true. This one is true. Bila dua true, so dapatlah the third answer, the second answer. Your x is Kuala Lipis and your y is 180. Yang ni kalau you all try to type the facts in your compiler, sweep Prolog, and then compile it, and then do this query. And so you akan tunggu kat sini kelas. Dekat 86 kan? Jangan klik enter. Nanti dia takkan cari ni. Dia akan keluar terus. Dia akan keluar daripada nulis space. So ni memang you tak kena dapat jawapan lah. But you need to click semicolon. And then dia akan naik, masuk balik dalam nulis space, find it, and then the compiler akan jumpa kuala lipis 180. Okay, boleh? Okay, saya masuk terus je lah kan. Nanti awak buatlah latihan yang Dr. Aziza bagi. Okay, write the rules to calculate the ticket charge based on the distance travel from KL. Given every 1 kilometer is charged 0.07 per person. So, ni dia suruh buat rule kan? Kita tak ada rules di kelas, kita baru ada facts. So that's why you buatlah rules. Macam saya ajar awak tadi, rules tu dia punya head dia, you buat nama baru. As example, dia gunakan ticket charge and then dia pakai dua RAT, dua tuples Sebab kenapa? Sebab memang kita ada dua kat sini. Baling dengan ni kan. So dia guna destinations and price. Okay. And then the colon and dash. Okay, dia gunakan distance. Our fact is distance tu So destination distance to distance. And then price is distance you darab dengan 0.07. Distance to ni distance saya sebut tadi, bukan distance, destinations dengan distance, because in our facts we have destinations and this one is a distance, jarak. So ataupun you nak pakai x, y ke, it's up to you lah, you can use any variables. And ni relationship dia and price is, sebab dia punya clue dekat sini price given that every 1 kilometer is charged 0.07. Sebab kat sini you punya distance adalah 431 kilo, 270. So you replace dengan perkataan distance kan. Jadi price is a new name lah ni. Yang you nak cari ni, price. Output you price. So price is distance. Yang belakang ni, distance you darabkan dengan multiply with the 0.07. Ikutlah soalan. Soalan kata 0.07. Okay, RM tu you jangan masukkanlah kelas. Same like C, Java, C++ kan. Kalau ada RM ke kilogram ke, kita just abaikan lah. We just take the number. So just take 0.07. Okay. Using the rule in B above. Okay, kalau soalan dia tricky sikit. Kalau B you salah, memang C you akan salah. So make sure you punya B tu betul lah. Okay, using rules in B above, write a new rule to calculate. New rules to calculate the ticket charge for a child. If the passenger is a child age less than 12 years old, then he or she will be given 50% discount of the original price charge. So kat sini, you create the new name dia, ticket charge child. Taklah apa nama sekalipun, ini example yang kelas. And then you nak gunakan apa? You kena guna child destinations, and then child price and age. Okay. And then ticket charge, you pakai ni. Sebab dia kata apa? Rules in B above. So rules kita, ticket charge, destinations, price. So ticket charge, destination, price. And okay, maksudnya untuk nak fire this rules, you kena make sure this one is true. So dia dapat dulu kat sini. Lepas tu baru dia masuk sini. Age less than 12. Your variable is age less than 12. Child price is 0.5. Dia kata 50%. So 50 you terus divide with the hundreds, you will get 0.50. And then multiply with the price. Multiply with the price. Okay, you can try this. Okay, this example. Nanti you akan dapat lah. You masukkan lah. You akan dapat result dia. Okay, two examples in arithmetic. Okay, next we continue. Okay, to write display and format output, on console window or screen. Okay, macam ni kita nak hasilkan output pada screen kita macam ni. Kita macam display kan. Kalau dalam dalam plus kita guna cout kan. And then Prolog guna perkataan write. WRT write. Okay. And L is a new line. Kalau if you want to print the new line, you kena letak NL lah. Okay, and then display pun boleh pakai. Display ni term to standard output streams in standard prefix notations. Kalau write untuk the current output streams. Nanti kita tengok beza di kelas. Okay, write and else display. Okay. Example, you want to write TIN 2023. This is actually a code lah. So anything yang you nak write, you kena put in the single code. Ini buat kat mana kelas? Buat dekat our console window. Okay, this one console window. Ni you boleh type terus. So nanti dia akan tulis lah. Contoh, write TIN 2023. And then tu letak period. So dia akan write TIN 2023 true. Okay. Kalau itu jawapan dia yes kan? Sebab this one Dr. Aziza using a LPA Prolog. Compiler dia LPA, that's why output dia yes kan? Saya punya pakai SW Prolog. So the output dia true And then write, okay, and then you can try this one. Write Prolog TIN 2023. Ni kita tak cuba lah, you boleh cuba sendiri kat bilik. Kat bilik lah. Dekat rumah Sorry, kalau student saya ni memang dekat bilik lah sebab dia juga kat hostel kan. Okay, write TIN 2023 and then comma, write Prolog. Dia akan sambung dia akan sambung sebab you tak ada new line. Dia akan sambung benda tu. Kalau you nak dibuat dekat line baru, you tambah NL. NL Okay. So write TIN 2023, NL, write Prolog. So dia akan write TIN 2023 and then a new line dia buat kat line baru Prolog. And then yes tu dia memang by default dia keluar lah. LPA keluar macam tu Kalau you pakai SWI dia keluar true. Dia keluar kat bawah. Dia nak cuba ke? Mari kita cubalah buat sikit kan. 2023. Kalau salah kelas, salah tu biasa kan kita typo error je sebenarnya. So tak apa, type balik. Right. Prolog. Prolog. Dia kan write anything inside the single code and then put the period sign. Don't forget, Prolog always terminated their statement with the period sign. And then, okay, as you can see, this one, TIN 20, saya pakai 21.3 21.3. So Prolog, true. Dia buat, dia print the new line. So you nampak penggunaan end line tadi dan write. Okay, and then now kita tengok macam bila kita guna perkataan display. Display ni actually dia akan display, dia akan buat dia tu lah. Ni function display plus. Dia kata tadi ayat dia apa? Standard output stream in standard prefix notation. Prefix ni dia akan bawa operator you tu ke depan. Macam plus tadi 2 and 3 dia punya actually relationship antara 2 and 3 is a plus arithmetic plus. So plus tu letak kat luar. So dia akan keluarkan macam tu lah. That's why output dia begitu kelas. So as example this. Nampak tak? Nampak rasanya. Saya close Display 2 plus 3. Then number tak payah letak single quote nanti kalau letak single quote dia jadi strings. Dia dah tak boleh dah buat tu. Dah tak boleh buat arithmetic operations. So plus to 3. So dia akan return true. Okay, next example, next slide. Ada output write Q and then write canonical. Write canonical. Kalau write Q and then dalam kurungan dia inside the parenthesis ada term that is write a code. Q stand for code code term to the current output streams and then write canonical /1. /1 tu sebenarnya dia nak bagi tahu dalam parenthesis tu you ada berapa tuples atau berapa array dia. Kalau /1 tu satu lah maksudnya. Kalau /2 maksudnya dalam tu you ada dua. Dalam ni, dalam bracket you tu ada dua. Sebab tu dia guna macam tu lah untuk tunjukkan dia ada satu je tuple, which is term. Tuple or array. Bilangan objek dalam you punya parenthesis you. Parenthesis. Okay, write a term to the current output streams in canonical form. Combine effect of write Q and display. Dia akan combine effect, display and the write Q, write code. By canonicals. Okay, examples. Okay. Ini kita cuba buat code. Just go through. 2023. Okay, keluar tu lah. Right. Q. Code. So dia bawa sekali dengan single code sekali. Maksudnya kalau you ada code kat situ dia bawa sekali code tu lah. Itu beza dia antara write and write Q. Okay. Write cursus and write Q tin 2023. So the output is cursus without the single code and then but tin 2023 dia ada single code sebab kita guna write Q. And then yes. Okay. Display 2 plus 3. Dia akan keluarkan apa yang ada dalam tu dia tak akan dalam tu dia dalam single code tu dia tak akan print kan sebab you display kan. Dia akan keluar 2 plus 3. Tapi bila you guna write canonical, dia akan bawa combination of display and write Q. So bila ada single code, of course dia bawa single code sekali ni. Sebab canonical ni dia kata apa tadi? Combine effect of write Q and display. So effect dia, effect write Q kan ada dia bawa code kan. That's why dia ada 2 tu dia ada code and so dapatlah tu kat situ. 2 with the code and then comma 3. Jadi dia punya relationship dia adalah plus. Okay. Computing vs printing using output predicates such as write and display will force Prolog to print the result or output on the screen. Ni dia. So kalau kita guna perkataan write and display ni, Prolog akan keluarkan result dia lah. Dia akan print the result pada screen awak. As example, you have one, actually this is a query kan? And like X, write X. So will force Prolog to look for what and like and print it on the screen. So you akan dapat dia punya output lah pada screen you. Okay tak kelas? Boleh tak? Okay. Kita tengok contoh dia. Dia kontra dengan ni lah. Yang ini and like X will force Prolog to look for and like but no output in force to be printed on the screens. By default, Prolog will print the value of X which is instantiated during the matching process. Maintaining the value of X is beneficial when passing a value to another subcode in the same program. Yang ini kita just dia boleh keluarkanlah X tu tapi dia tak print dia tak boleh printed on the screens. Berbanding dengan this one. You cuba try tapi yang ini tak dia tak boleh dapat lah result dia sebab apa? Sebab kita tak ada facts dengan dia punya rules. Kalau you ada facts dia kita boleh nampak lah output dia. Okay, now in other programming language, passing or returning the value is done as follows. Ini kalau dalam C, kan, this is a function in C++. Depan integer is a return data type, add is a function name, and then in function you have two parameter x and y. Your x is integer, and then atas ni kita panggil head of function kan. Ini function definition you lah for the C++ kan. Okay, and curly braces, inside the curly braces, this is the body of your functions. Dia kata return x plus y. Nanti dia akan return lah the value. Dia return kepada mana? Dia akan return kepada variable yang panggil dia. Ini function call kelas. Okay, kalau you ingat balik lah in C++, function call ni actually dia dalam main. Dalam main, dia ada function call. Bila you dalam main, kita baca, kita jumpa this one first. X is X at Y kan? So ini, the X ni is function name you, nama function you. X and Y is actually variables you. So automatically dia akan pergi cari definition. Dia cari definition, okay, jumpa ni. Nama dia sama ya, at. Function name, dia match kan? Okay, at, same. X akan, kalau kat sini ada nilai X, biasa dia ada nilai X kat atas ni. Dia bagilah nilai X2 as a 4 ke, your Y as a 5 ke. So, and then definition akan hold the value lah. Dia akan ambil that nilai tu, 4 and 5. As example, X is 4, your Y is a 5. And then inside the body, dia akan buat lah. Dia akan, 4 plus 5 is 9. Dia akan return 9. Return 9 to where? Dia akan return to the Z. Dia akan assign. Kenapa kena return? Sebab satu dia ada perkataan return. Kedua dia return integer value. So dia kena hantarlah return lah. So dekat dalam function main, ini function call. Dia ada satu variable baru yang akan ambil nilai dia. So dia akan return to Z. Z kena sambut nilai yang ada dekat definitions tu, dihantar kepada function call. Faham kan kelas kan? Ni kalau C++ lah. Then sama juga dengan ni. Dia turun bawah, titik-titik ni maksudnya ni, you have another line of program And then you meet this one. Another second function call. Okay, Z2 is X multiply XY. So dia pergi cari function nama dia mul, mul. So okay, jumpa this is definitions, integer multiply integer xy. Inside the body of function mul is x darab dengan y return. So kalau your x tadi 4, your y is 5. So 4 multiply 5, 20. So dia akan return 20 to the Z2. Ni biasa dalam another programming. Normally macam ni lah kan. Okay. Dalam Prolog macam ni. Lebih kurang je lah kan. Cuma dia jadi dalam bentuk rules lah. Dia tak ada integer. Integer semua tak ada. Declaration of data type semua tak ada. So yang ada macam ni. Macam mana kalau kita convert C++ to the Prologs. So Z ni actually apa yang you punya variables tu kan. Z. Macam ni atas ni. Ni Z. Apa yang you nak cari result you. That's why dia duduk kat belakang paling last. Kat depan ni is X dengan Y lah variable you. So calculation is you punya relationship dia. X calculate Y Z. If so dia kena add dulu. Apa dia buat kat dalam ni? Add X Y kan? So X add Y. So the result is Z. And dia nak tulis apa? Dia nak keluarkan result apa? What is the output kan? Dia nak result dia Z. So write Z. Ni penggunaan write write Z. Okay. And then N X multiply X mul Y. And then result dia Z2 Z2. Ni kita convert daripada this one Z2 is, ini dalam C++ kita convert kepada Prolog. Z2 is mul XY. So mul XY, Z2 is the result. So write Z2. Yang kita nak result kita adalah Z2. Okay. Then ini rule calculate. Ni rule nama add. Kalau you perasan, you ada 3 rules. Rule pertama, kedua dan ketiga. Okay. Rule pertama ni, nak dapatkan add ni, dia kena panggil rules kedua. Okay, nak dapat, and then inside the rules first, nak dapatkan Z2, you kena buat rules ketiga. R1, R2, R3. Biasa kita panggil rules R1 tu rules 1 lah. R2 rules 2. Kita just bagi nama macam tu dia macam if else lah. Cuma in Prolog we don't have if else, tapi we have a rule. So kalau you ada 6 if else, macam if saya bagi contoh dalam C saya ajar macam detail sikit. Mungkin sebab macam tu lah. Macam kelas. Okay ni. Okay, normally in C you ada if. Okay, ni you punya syarat kan. First. Lepas tu you ada another test lagi if else. You ada else, syarat lagi. Kalau true you buat this one. Okay, this one kalau you true you buat this one. And ada lagi salah saya punya. Kejap. Saya if else pula. Salah kejap. Else if. Else if. Kejap sorry. Else if. And then syarat you ada syarat kat sini. And then kalau true, you buat this one. Lepas tu you ada lagi else if. Kalau true, you buat. If true, this one, you buat this one. Okay, last kali ni, you are terminate with else. Else ni, kita dah tak letak syarat dah. Kita terus buat solution apa lah. Sebab lepas else tak boleh letak syarat. Sebab itu dah pilihan. Contoh you ada 1, 2, 3, 4. Ada 4 je pilihan. If not the first choice, it might be the second choice. If not the second choice, it might be the third choice. If not the first, second and third, of course lah the fourth choice. Sebab tu yang keempat ni kita tak tanya lagi syarat. Tak boleh. Kalau you tanya syarat, of course akan keluar error kan? Of course lah, you tahu you all programmer Okay, jadi in Prolog, kita buat apa? Untuk if pertama, dia akan jadi maybe rules 1. If kedua, dia jadi rules kedua. Untuk else if yang ketiga, dia jadi rules yang ketiga. Untuk else yang ni, dia akan jadi rules keempat. Prolog macam tu. Macam ni. So, Prolog tak ada if, else, tu semua. Tapi, dia ada rules. Rules dia macam ni lah. Ni rules pertama. Ni rules kedua. Rules ketiga. Okay, kedudukan rules tak semestinya you kena letak add dulu. Lepas tu you letak multiply dulu. Baru nak letak calculate. Tak kisah. You boleh letak je. Nanti kita punya query akan cari dia yang mana match ikut nama dia punya ni. Dia tak perlu susun. Kalau dalam C++ ke Java ke apa, kita kena susun dia. Kita kena susun syarat pertama. Kalau bukan yang this one, dia pergi syarat kedua. Sebab dia kalau you perasan, all this type of programming macam C, C++, Java semua, dia declare sebagai procedural programming. Sebab dia baca ikut prosedur. Lepas ni dia turun this one, turun this one, turun this one. Dia by procedure. Dia berjujukan number 1, number 2, number 3. But Prolog tak. Prolog dia panggil non-procedural. Sebab kenapa non-procedural? Sebab dia boleh pergi sini, nak dapatkan sini, dia turun sini. Okay, nak dapatkan yang ini, dia turun sini. And then dia boleh patah balik naik. Macam tu. And then contoh daripada rules pertama, nak dapatkan rule pertama, mungkin dia pergi kepada rules ke-58. Daripada rules ke-58, nak dapatkan dia punya goal. And depan ni dia punya goal kelas. Calculate, add dengan multiply ni kita panggil goal. Matlamat. Okay. Daripada 58, nak dapatkan goal dia, dia kena pergi maybe rules ke-40. Daripada rules 40, nak dapatkan goal dia, dia berkaitan dengan rules 31. So, result you dekat sini. That is a Prolog lah. Non-procedural programming. Okay, basically faham tak yang itu kelas? Ini basic dia lah. Boleh sekejap saya nak delete Nak erase terlampau. Okay, jadi untuk for this example, okay. Setakat ni boleh kelas? Pukul berapa dah? 11. Dah nak habis dah. Don't worry, dah nak habis dah sekejap. Class, do you hear me? Dengar tak?
Okay, madam.
Okay. So, yang tadi faham tak yang ni? Ni saya. Okay ni. Macam mana daripada C, ini C++ sebenarnya kelas. C++. Kalau Java dia lain sikit kan. Atas dia C language pun macam ni juga. C and C++ lebih kurang sama. Dia beza dia syntax nak panggil C in dia pakai scanf, and then C out dia pakai printf. Tapi dia punya dalam dia sama. Ni. So to get the answer for the x at y z, dia pergi sini. Dia akan pergi this one. So x at y z if z is x plus y. Z is plus y. So dapat z. Okay. So dapat z naik atas, return right z. Okay. And then buat this line. X multiply y, z2. Okay, go to this one. Okay. X multiply y z if z is x multiply y. So dia return to, okay ni silap sikit ni Z2 Z2. So answer ni dia bagi kat sini. So dia akan return back to Z2. Ni buat correction sikit kelas Z2 kalau dia tak buat correction pun macam betul juga sebab Z1, Z2 ni pun dia variable kan. So dia boleh je, boleh juga sebenarnya. Dia boleh je pegang nilai tu. Sebab kata variable kan, variable dia boleh pass variable kepada variable lain. Lain lah kalau dia constant kan. Okay. Okay, to get input from user. Ni macam ni kita nak user type kan. Built-in predict read, dia guna perkataan read. Tadi untuk dapatkan output kita guna perkataan write kan. Nak print out, prolog. Kalau nak read, nak get the input. Kalau C++ kita guna C in. Okay. Kalau C dia guna scanf. But in the prolog dia guna read. So dia read your term. Read /1 tu maksudnya dalam term tu you ada satu term lah. This one Contoh read X. So nanti dia akan keluar macam ni you masukkanlah apa-apa. So nanti apa-apa dia masukkan, any value yang you put in your ni dia akan keluarkan lah. X is 18 to 2023. Okay, mari kita try. This one, kita buka kita punya ni. Sekejap. Okay, kita type sini. Nampak tak screen saya? Okay. Question mark kat situ ada and then type je read. Apa you nak read? You read satu bagi, you give one variable X dot. Okay, letak tanda period and then enter. Okay, nampak tak tanda apa? Satu straight line. Lepas tu ada colon. Kat situ cursor you tengah tunggu you kat sini. You type lah apa benda yang you nak masuk. Maksudnya you give the input You bagi input kepada you punya compiler you. Dia masukkan, contoh saya huruf besar tin 2023. And then jangan lupa the period sign and then enter. So dia akan keluarkan dia keluarkan true pula sepatutnya dia keluarkan X. Tapi kita try lagi lah. Dan kalau compiler dia lain, dia memang macam ni dia lain sikit. So dia keluarkan X tu. X. Kenapa dia tak ada keluar tadi itulah masalah dia. Kadang dia tak nak keluar kan. Rasa dah betul lah tadi. Okay. So macam ni kalau kita tambah tanda kod tadi. Read X. Okay. And then kita tambah kursus. And then TIN2023. Single quote. And then letak tanda period. So dia akan keluarkan with the code. Okay. Then satu lagi dia kata ada syntax error. Kenapa ada syntax error? Ni tak payah try lah. Sebab apa? Sebab sebenarnya antara kursus dengan TIN 2023 tu you ada white space, you ada jarak. You ada jarak, jadi dia tak boleh deal dengan ruang kosong tu sebenarnya. So dia keluar syntax error. So benda ni kan kursus TIN 2023 ni kan as character kan. So bila dia character you kena type. Bila dia ada jarak tu you kena type single quote lah. Baru tak ada error. Kalau you rapatkan dia tak ada masalah Dia jadi macam satu ni. Dia tak boleh ada white space di situ. Okay, kita tengok. Okay, habis. Habis you punya ni. Saya ada dapat latihan yang Dr. Aziza bagi saya. Tapi saya tengok dekat my phone lah. Tak tengok dekat sini kan. Sebab saya tak buka WhatsApp. So, saya rasa yang tu you all boleh try. Boleh cuba sendirilah. Ada masa sikit tak? Saya tunjuk lab guide lah. Lab guide for the tutorial ni tak apa. Nanti you try sambung buat tutorial tu. Dr. Aziza dia ada sertakan to you all. Tapi saya nak tunjuk lab guide untuk part 2 kita pergi laju-laju lah. Okay, ni prolog part 2. This slide pun also saya dah bagi dekat Dr. Aziza. Okay, ni this is the prolog arithmetic. Okay, you open the new file, you buat the file baru. File new, name the program, and then maybe you can name it as unlab 2, and then extension.pl. PL stand for prolog. And then and then of course you have to interface knowledge base for the facts and rules, and then query, and then write your facts and query in the knowledge base. Nanti you all type lah After that, ni has example dah type, tunjuk contoh ni. Ford speed is 100, Chevy speed is 105, Dodge speed is 95, Volvo speed is 80, Ford time is 20, Chevy time is 21, Dodge time is 24, Volvo time is 24. Okay, X distance, itu facts. Okay, we have 8 facts kita ada 8 facts, and then we have 1 rule. Okay, our rule is distance X distance Y. X distance Y if X speed S and X time T, Y is S darab dengan T. S is multiply T itulah dia kelas. Dia pakai facts. Speed ni dia ambil from facts kita ada kan. X ni dia represent brand, car brand. S ni dia represent speed. Okay, so nak cari distance antara X dengan Y. Y ni actually you punya output Okay, X ni you punya brand, car brand. Okay, nak cari speed dia adalah X speed S, and dia pakai facts yang ada pada time, which is X time, car brand, X time T. T ni adalah time. Okay, nak dapatkan distance adalah Y. Y ni adalah your distance lah. Okay, maybe you boleh pakai D distance huruf besar Is, you darabkan S dengan T. S dengan T maksudnya 100 darabkan dengan 21. Contoh, kalau Ford lah kan. Macam tu. Dia kena samalah. Brand you kena sama. X dengan X. Yang berbeza is S dengan T. So, kalau Ford darabkan ni lah. Speed for the Ford is 100. You darabkan dengan time of lah. So 100 darab 20. So that is your Y. Your distance. 100 darab dengan 20. Berapa kelas? 2000. So 2000 is your distance. Macam tu ni. Compile. Try lah. Buat query. Query dia nak check CV speeds. Dia ambil lah CV speed. 105 lah output kan. Ni. Okay, you boleh try this one class. Ada contoh lagi. And then you can try the ni. How to make the query this one. Volvo time is 50. Check. Volvo time is 50. So dia kata no lah sebab our Volvo is 24 kan. So dia akan return dia akan return false. The second answer ni false. Okay, the third query. Car time greater than 21. Ni contoh macam tadi. Kita nak cari masa yang melebihi 23. Kereta apa yang melebihi 23? So dia ambil time. Sebab kita nak test time kan. Tapi nak cari apa? Nak cari car. Result you adalah time. So what kind of car? Bukan. Result you is a car. Time tu you punya macam condition, syarat you. Must be greater than 23. So dia akan tengok time. Akan tengok time. Time, which one is greater than 23? You have two brand. Dodge and Volvo. Macam tu. Ni selalunya dia akan, soalan dia akan tanyalah macam mana you nak cari the car that the speed time greater than 25. This is how you do a query. So the answer to car is Dodge, time is 24. And the second one, dia jumpa car is a Volvo, the time is 24. Okay, and then the third one, Dodge distance. Dodge distance ni, actually dia akan panggil ni. Dia akan panggil query. Dia akan panggil query, that's why tengok ni. Dia ni, you keluar Dodge and distance is 2280. Macam mana dapat 2280? Sebab you punya constant is Dodge kan? And then dia nak distance. Dia pakai distance lah. Distance, X you Dodge. And then your Y is a distance. So dia ambil X, Dodge speed lah. Your X is Dodge. Okay, Dodge. Dodge is, dia punya speed is 95. And time Dodge. Okay, time Dodge is 24. So 95 multiply with the, okay, nak dapat result dia, dapat S darab dengan T kan? So Dodge 95, you multiply with 24, so you dapat result dia 2280. Ini pakai calculator lah, kira. Dapat tak 2280? Itu dah result dia. So nampak tak macam mana kita nak apply kita punya rules ni. Kita punya rules. This is our query. Okay, and then find the fault distance 2000. Betul tak? Yang ni distance fault 2000. Maksudnya you punya Y tu 2000. Cari X. X you spot you adalah X you adalah apa kereta tadi nama? Ford. Okay, your X is a Ford. Speed dia apa? Ford. 100. Okay, time for the Ford 20. 100 you darab dengan 20 is 2000. So your Y is 100 multiply 20 is 2000. So X Ford 2000. Is it true? So dia akan return true lah. 2000 true. Why true? Sebab kita check dekat kita punya rules. Jawapan dia memang 2000. So sama X 2000. Okay, boleh tak kelas yang itu? Faham tak? Boleh kan? Okay, next. Car distance. Okay, distance inside the parenthesis tu adalah variable kelas. Yang kat luar tu dia punya relationship. Dia dua benda berbeza so jangan confuse. So dia nak cari mana distance yang less than 2000. Maksudnya semua ni dia kena darab dulu baru dia boleh keluarkan result dia. So Ford 100 darab dengan 20. Ford speed 100 tu. So yang you ambil speed dia 100 dengan time Ford 20 tu you darab dapat 2000. Okay, Ford is 2000. Dia nak yang distance less than 2000. Okay, so Ford tak termasuk Okay, we try CV. Speed CV is 105. Time CV is 21. So 105 darab 21 berapa? Kelas? Jom sama-sama kita tekan calculator. 105 darab dengan CV is 21. So 2205. 2205 pun bukan less than 2000 kan? So kita ambil yang speed ketiga tu. Dodge pula. Kita gantikan X X with the Dodge. Dodge kita 95. Speed dia punya 24. Time is 24, so you dapat 2280. Okay, last one is Volvo. Volvo is 80. 80 you darabkan dengan 24. You dapat satu. Volvo is 1920. So the answer, dia nak cari kereta mana yang distance dia kurang daripada 2000. Kita dapat satu je. Selepas kita darab semua kereta-kereta yang ada, from start with the Ford, CV, Dodge dengan Volvo. So we found out that the answer is only Volvo. The distance is 1920. Tu result dia lah. Okay, boleh kat kelas nampak tak dia punya arithmetic punya ni? Penggunaan arithmetic dia dalam Prolog. Okay. Dekat Aziza, recursive masuk ke tak kan?
Tak payah.
Sampai situ je lah. So untuk arithmetic, you dah nampak lah fungsi dia kan? And then macam mana nak read, macam mana nak write and so on. Okay, saya dah cover. So ikut kita punya ikut dia punya all syllabus, your syllabus Sekejap. Okay, dah habis lah. Okay. Okay, that's all from me. Tapi sini kita ada, kejap tengok tutorial kejap. Okay, tutorial ada sikit lah. You boleh try untuk buat, and then kalau you nak jawapan dia, nak semak, nanti you boleh refer Dr. Aziza sebab saya dah sertakan jawapan ada jawapan dia. Okay? Boleh boleh Okay.
Okay, thank you, Madam Wan. Do you
Okay,
have any
welcome.
question, class? Okay, good. So Ikhwan understand. Okay. Okay. So sorry because we take your time because we start late. Okay, Mafi, good. I think that's all for the topic for prologues. We thank you to Madam Nuan for sharing the knowledge on the logic programming. So if you have any questions, you can contact me or you can contact Madam Nuan to answer your questions. Madam Nuan, you have your email to share with the students.
Okay.
Maybe you
Wait,
can type to the chat.
Dekat chat sekejap.
Or you have the contact on your slide.
Tak ada dekat slide, tak letak pun. Kejap kelas. I'm not really familiar dengan hal ni. Kejap tengah kodik-kodik.
Okay.
Okay.
You
Okay, kenapa?
You can prepare your email
Okay, chat.
and for the rest, maybe you can on your video so that we can take a photo with Madam Wan. Today we have only 7. 7?
Okay,
Tadi 8. Dah jadi 7.
okay.
You can have it the contact in the chat, okay? The contact or I can
Kejap saya stop the video.
yeah, stop video and copy it and send to the group.
Okay.
Check. Okay. Right, so Syah, sikit tinggal. 7. Tadi ada. Nazatul is not here. Umu Syamim. Umu, where is your friends? 1 minute. Okay. Umu. Mana kawan awak yang lain ni? Mana Nick? Nick.
Saya tak berapa sure.
Ya?
Saya tak berapa sure yang lain.
Tak sure. Okay. Siapa tu? Tak apa. Lupa nama. Ingat Nick dia. Iqbal. Tak ada Mana Zatul tadi? Syaf? Alin? Syaf 1 minit. Pakai tudung. Umur? Okey, dah siap dah Syaf. Dah satu mana Syaf?
Not sure, Doctor. She just here.
Tadi ada kat sini, ada kat rumah ke ataupun ada kat tempat lain?
Dia kat tempat lain, dia dekat rumah lain.
Rumah lain, okey. Alin?
Fadil dia.
Okey. Yang lain tak okey kot. Mafiz tadi kata ada kerja?
Ya, sebab minggu ni saya on call.
On call, okey. Macam doktor pula.
Lebih kurang.
Support kan? Ikuan okey? Okey, good. Mana Falin ni? Lama tak payah pakai makeup. Umur?
Hazlin tadi dekat toilet.
Oh, okey, okey.
Dia tengah bersiap.